3, 2, 1.
I'm a capital with many towers, not of a castle, but made by builders. Which one am I? The answer is B, Paris. Which instrument is associated with reggae and ska music? The answer is B, bass. Which language uses a writing system called runes? The answer is B, Norwegian. In the Dark Tower series, the woman known as Susanna has a dissociative identity disorder. How many personalities does she have? The answer is C, 4. While starting his career with the Red Sox, it was with the Yankees that Wade Boggs won the World Series. Where did you usually see Wade play? The answer is A, third base. What structures formed of twisted actin chains are found in almost every cell and are numerous in muscle cells and cells that move by changing shape? The answer is D, microfilaments. What is the highest scored run in a single over in cricket? The answer is D, 50. In which country is Brasilia the capital? The answer is C, Brazil. How many pleats are on a traditional chef's hat the grand toque? The answer is C, 100. What is the term used for the belief that the soul is reborn in a new form after death? The answer is A, reincarnation. What Italian car make was established on July 11, 1899 in Turin, Italy by Giovanni Agnelli? The answer is C, Fiat. Which of these characters in the animated sitcom The Simpsons is voiced by Dan Castellaneta? The answer is A, Mayor Diamond Joe Quimby. What is the largest unsked ship in the Halo series? The answer is B, Unsk Infinity. What occurs when there is a sudden discharge of static electricity between a cloud and the ground? The answer is C, lightning. What is termed for the smallest particle of an element that still has the properties of said element? The answer is D, atom. Which of these is a type of writing tool? The answer is C, pen. What kind of volcanic eruptions are less deadly? The answer is C, non-explosive. When something loses electrons, it must also. The answer is C, gain electrons. Who is the father of quantum mechanics? The answer is D, Schrödinger. Which of these is a form of clothing worn by women in Malaysia and Indonesia? The answer is C. Kebaya. What is soft, warm, fluffy, flies around the room, but doesn't make a sound or leave any nests? The answer is D. Teddy bear. What country banned the movie Bruce Almighty due to pressure from religious groups? The answer is C. Egypt. At what age can grizzly bears start to mate? The answer is D. 4.5 years. The mean free path for a gaseous molecule will be hundreds of times the what of the molecule? The answer is A. Diameter. What is Nietzsche's famous quote, "Who among the gods" from? The answer is A. Thus spoke Zarathustra. Potassium, calcium, and magnesium are considered what kind of nutrients? The answer is C. Macronutrients. What leafy green vegetable is a common salad ingredient? The answer is B. Lettuce. Acne and different types of cancer can affect what large organ? The answer is D. Skin. What does a vacuum cleaner typically suck up? The answer is C. Dirt and dust. Which company produced the TRS-80 computer? The answer is C. Tandy Corporation. When a cardboard cone of a radio speaker vibrates, it produces a sound in the air around it. The cone produces this sound by transferring which of the following to the air around it? The answer is C. Wave motion. What is the name of the largest unit of time in the metric system? The answer is D. Century. Which comic great is Don Rickles' best friend? The answer is A. Bob Newhart. What is the formula for finding the volume of a cylinder? The answer is C. C3.14 radius 2 height. The phase transition of a substance changing from a liquid state to a gaseous state is an example of what? The answer is D. Entropy. Which kitchen tool is used to open bottles or jars? The answer is C. Bottle opener. Which phrase is a synonym of chase? The answer is B. Hunting ground. What was the first successful rechargeable battery used for? The answer is D. Torches. What year was the first Final Fantasy game released in Japan? The answer is D. 1987. Which film is memorable for this quote? The answer is A. Bad Boys. Which football team has the most FIFA Club World Cup titles? The answer is A. Real Madrid. Which river runs through Niagara Falls? The answer is D. Niagara. What is the largest museum in the world? The answer is C. Louvre. What requires an electrical conductor? The answer is A. Cording. Which capital city is located at the mouth of the Danube River? The answer is A. Budapest. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? The answer is C. Japan. What correctly describes the character of Chico in the 2006 movie Babel? The answer is C. She is deaf and mute. In which country would you find Greenwich Mean Time GMT? The answer is D. UK. Which of the following polynomials can be factored to x23? The answer is C. x327. What is the largest sculpture in the world called?